Hey everybody, it's Haley with HaleyWithAFlair.com. If you are new, do not forget to like and subscribe to this video. I am bringing you a brand new flight review on JetBlue Mint. Through a series of unfortunate events, I fortunately ended up in Mint. I've been dying to try it for a while and was so excited when we finally got the chance. When we first board here, you're going to see a Mint Studio Suite. I'll include a link down below to those. Those have more room. Another person can sit in here. But today we are reviewing just a regular Mint suite. My daughter had no idea we were going to be flying Mint, so she was a little excited. Here's the seat layout. Now, I will say this has hands down been my favorite seat layout overall. I was able to get a lot of work done like you're going to see in this video. The TV pops out. There is so much storage in the seat. I don't think I've ever sat in a business class seat that has this much storage. Here's the amenity kit. We're going to look at that in a little bit with the headphones. This is the menu for Mint. There's your seat controls, a little lamp here in addition to the one by the door that we just saw. Over here are where there's more seat controls, the remote. You can also tap in right here. I love how the trays pull out here. It was so spacious. Even as a plus size lady, I really appreciated that. This is the bedding that comes with Mint. It's from Tough and Needle. This pillow was oh so comfortable. The blankets were very cozy, yet almost kind of a nice cool feeling, if you can kind of imagine that. It was really great. I will say this plane overall was very cool. There's wireless charging right here. There is additional storage in here. Like I said, no shortage of storage on this flight. There's a little hook for your headphones if you want to hang them there. Now, the menu for Mint is a little different. They do more of a tapas style selection, and you get to pick 3 different items from the small plates list. And then there's just one dessert. Here's a little bit about the menu. Let's hop into this amenity kit. You are going to see a lot of big names, and that is a theme for JetBlue Mint. You do get a pair of ankle socks, which is different. Normally they're bigger socks on the other airlines. Then you also have a mouthwash in here. This is actually a really nice mouthwash. I did enjoy that. And then probably my favorite part about this amenity kit was the Dr. Dennis Gross products. The lip balm was great. I'm definitely going to have to see if they sell more of that. I really enjoyed it. There is also a nice cream and lotion that comes with this. I get super dry when I fly. If you've seen my flying kits that I normally bring with me, I'm a very big lotion and hydration girl. There are earplugs, of course. And then to my delight, there's actually Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads in here. You guys know I'm big about skincare on long haul flights, so I loved seeing this in the amenity bag. And then we also have the headphones here. It is from Think Sound. These were pretty comfortable. I ended up using my Beats most of the time because I did spend a good chunk of this flight working. This is what the Think Sound headphones look like, and they do collect them at the end so they can be reused and sanitized. Here's a little bit look at the plugs. More storage. Like I said, I've never been in a seat where I could accurately store everything that I needed. Here's a closer view of the seat, some more charging options from the side. I like that they have the water tucked into the seat there. Then it was time for takeoff. Time for me to do a little bit of work, and as you can see here, there's so much space. I also did a Wi-Fi test on the internet so you can get a check at the speeds. I thought that the speeds were pretty great. Of course, the upload speed on any airline is never really wonderful, but overall, I could do almost anything that I needed to do in the air with this speed. Then it was time to get some snacks. I will say service on this flight was a little slow. This was a 4:30 flight, and by the time I just showed you on my watch, I had not received everything. Overall, I'd say the food was decent to good. I didn't like the salad. The pasta was probably the best dish. Dessert was kind of simple. Then it was time to relax. I do like how they made the blanket and pillow options a bit transitional. So if you don't want to lay down, there were options to be covered. But I will tell you, laying down, I had so much space, especially for my feet, which is so nice because some of the footwells on other airlines are extremely cramped. So I really enjoyed that. Here's what the seat looks like when it is fully laid out. Here's that water, of course, multi-brands here. You see more branded items. Really enjoyed that. I really also appreciated the mood lighting that came in the seat. More earplugs. The TVs were really nice because you could also hook up your cell phone to control it. There's a lot of options available. I'll give you a quick look at what the movie selection was. I did watch a little bit of a movie and took a snooze right before landing. Before I knew it, we were in LA. I would fly this again to a degree, but it would have to be for the right price. Like, we upgraded at the gate and it was $6.99. Okay, so here is my overall score of the seat. I personally love this. This was 5 out of 5 stars for me. My husband did find it a bit cramped. He's a very wide-shouldered guy. The service overall, I'm giving 3.5 stars because the flight attendants were super kind. The service was very slow, and I think that just comes down to a staffing situation. It just didn't feel like there was enough service for a business class cabin for seats that are typically going $2,000+ one way. Food, 3 out of 5. It's probably been my least favorite food situation on an airline long haul. The salad was just super bitter. I really like American and Delta both have really great salads with a vinaigrette. That's really great. The food was just kind of okay here. But the overall quality, I would still give it 4 out of 5 stars. I was able to work really well. I liked how organized the seats were. I would fly it again if it was for the right price. Another note that I put down here, like I mentioned just previously before, is we did upgrade these flights at the airport for $6.99 per suite one way. So that is an option if you don't have mosaic tiles or are not a loyalty member with this airline. And the seat does also include 2 checked bags. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one.